Hello, it's AliMECH. It was a good idea to take the wheels off and clean the inner side during this time while the car not being driven. These wheels never cleaned before and the spokes close to each other, so it will be hard to clean them on the car. So the first step to pressure wash it and use detailing brush, different sizes depending on where you're cleaning. I washed it a couple of times and dried it very well. For the next step, I'm going to use tar remover, bug and tar remover from Abro. Worked well. You can use wheel cleaner as well. Depending on the wheel, let the product sit for a while and penetrate, and then agitate it with a detailing brush. Next, I like to use medium clay bar to keep my polishing pad clean as possible. Using soap works as a lubricant and the clay won't stick. Washing the wheel face and we get back to polish inner side. I used meguiars Ultimate Compound. You can use any rubbing compound brand, but I don't recommend using polishing compound. It will take more time to pull all that brake dust out. After polishing, protecting is important. You can use any of the carnauba wax, liquid wax or ceramic coating, will be better. When I apply tire shine, I like to agitate it with a brush and then wipe it off. It will give a matte finish. Washing the wheel well and then put the tire back. Each wheel will take you about 20 minutes. Thanks for watching. Every product I use will be in the description box below, and I will see you in the next video.